Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and let's get right into
Hey you guys,
the
welcome
video.
back to my channel. So today is another video, but I wanted to do a subscriber shout out. Of course, you guys know that I do these. So the first one is this one, and eyelashes lip gloss bomb. I used mine already, so I'm just showing you the giveaway kit, which I will be giving away in the giveaway boxes when you actually win a bigger giveaway, if that makes sense. And the other one is this jewelry company, which is bomb, you guys. You have to check them both out. And yeah, everything was shown in the video, so just check them out. So today I'm doing a Dollar General video. They have a lot of glitters and things like that, so I decided to do something like that. I went there the other day and they had really good stuff, but I didn't buy so many glitters just because I have a drawer full of glitter. Like, I don't know what else to do with them, so I decided to do this one, a like glitter ombre type of video with some nail polish. And the China Glaze nail polish that I'm using, I actually got it from Sally's for like $1.25 or $1.75. If you go to Sally's and you check out Sally's, you could definitely find stuff on sale. So that was kind of the only thing that I did not get from the dollar store, but it was $1.75, which you can find this color at Dollar General for super cheap. So you don't have to specifically go to Sally's and get this color. But yeah, other than that, I'm just using different things from different products that I have left over. So that's just what I like to do. I like to just bring all the kits that I have left over and bring them all together and just do one big kit. Just because some come with more, some come with less, and it's just like, I have all this stuff that's left over. Let me just put it all together and see what happens. But if you hear wind in the background, you guys, I am standing outside. We got a new mini pig, so we've been just dealing with that all weekend. But yeah, so if you hear wind, I'm sorry about that. I'm just outside. If you wanted to see my new mini pig, we will be posting a new video on Wednesday of him giving him a bath and things like that because he was really dirty. So yeah, just check out that video. And it's not a long one, it's just us introducing him, which I'm so excited about. But yeah, so all I did here was just double my nail tips. If you are a newbie, I love to double my nail tips to make them longer. And these nail tips are from a regular kiss kit, which you can get at Dollar General for like $4, $5. They have different actual kiss kits at Dollar General, which I'm very surprised. Normally they don't, but when I went recently, they do. So I definitely appreciate that. And yeah, you can find them for super cheap at Dollar General, which is why it's in the title. I love Dollar General. And then the top coat that I used in this video is actually from Dollar Tree, so that was $1. So I spent about a good, let's say, I had already glitter at my house, so I didn't want to buy more glitter, but I spent about $4. I would say about $10-12 on my nails this set, and they were super long. And yeah, you guys, so this is just something that I like to do, super affordable nails. And yeah, so right here I'm just cutting the nails to put them at my shape that I like, which is coffin. I love a coffin shape. I love a nice long coffin shape, if that makes sense. And then I just file them off of my nails, cut them off of my natural nails, just so that way I'm not struggling, because your girl still struggles. Even though she's been doing nails for a really long time, I still struggle, you guys. So yeah, but other than that, everything was very self-explanatory and very easy to pick up, so I'm not gonna say anything else. I love you guys. I'm back. Today's Monday, so I'll be working this whole week, and then I'm off Saturdays and Sundays. Normally, if I don't post in the morning, then I'll post mid-afternoon. I try not to post past 6 o'clock, so that way people can watch earlier instead of, you know, going home and having to, you know, watch at home. And, you know, I know a lot of you guys have families and stuff, so I try to look at the schedule at what's best for you guys. because I already know, like, my husband, when he works, he gets home around 6, and it's just to deal with him, just to cook and stuff like that. So I understand that some of you guys might have that little problem. Trust me, I call husbands little problems. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload. Follow me on Instagram, and also follow my family Instagram, because we got a new mini pig and you're not going to want to miss it. And yeah, I love you. Stay safe, and be back here tomorrow to see a new video. And yeah, you guys, so I'll see you in my next one.